It is Monday the 13th. It's afternoon already, and today already we've been to the shop this morning to see how the shop has done over the weekend, and it hasn't actually done that well. Then we just popped down over to the retail park, just popped to the shops there, and I just wanted to show you this cute little tin that I got. It's a Baker's dog Christmas tin. So it was £4 and it comes with 4 pouches of Baker's treats. So basically £1 each. So it's usual price, but you get the cute little dog tin. So I thought that was nice for display. And then I've had a big Boots order come, which was 4 boxes. I didn't expect it to be 4 boxes, but they are Christmas presents. And look how much has come. I didn't expect all that. Like 4 boxes of Boots orders. So these are all Christmas presents. I might not be able to actually show you what's inside, and I can't remember everything I've ordered, but if I can open something and show you, then I will. But otherwise I can't show you actually what's in it, because if any of my gift receivers see this video before Christmas, they'll know what they got. But I'm going to open up these 4 boxes. So this is one of the things that came in my Boots box. It's the Soap and Glory selection box. So it's a box of £80 worth of products, and I think I paid like 30 odd pounds for it. So it comes in a beautiful tin, and we're going to open this up. So there's the top of it, with the Soap and Glory on the top with a polka dot lid. So it's like a nice little metal lid. We're going to open it up, and inside got things all bagged up, and the only thing that isn't bagged up is this dry shampoo. So I've never used the Soap and Glory dry shampoo. So we have the dry shampoo, and let's open up. I'll open up the first bag. In here we have a hand cream, hydrating hand cream, and I've never used anything from Soap and Glory. We have a foot cream. We have another hand cream, a fruity hydrating hand cream. So this is a bigger size. So different type of hand cream. We have a thick and fast mascara. We have some face masks. So we have the brightening sheet mask, radiance boosting glow mask, and we have a skin smoothing pore refining sheet mask. So, and my skin's breaking up since we've been having to wear face masks again, so I could do with that. And then we have a nice body butter. Then in this bigger bag we have a scrub. So scrub of your life, so it's a body scrub. Then these are bigger size bottles in here. We have a facial wash. We have a body wash. Let me smell these actually. Oh yeah, they smell so good. And these are nice big bottles. Big bottle of body lotion. And then one more. We have another body wash. So this is a different one. Original pink, rose and bergamot. So that is everything that you get in the Soap and Glory box. So they're all your big size bottles with your body butter, and they're the smaller size bottles and your masks, and then obviously it comes in this lovely tin. So for the rest of the night I have a client come in this evening. I've got to do some waxing. I've got to dry my hair before she comes because I've washed my hair, and I might redo my nails, because this nail you won't probably be able to see, but it has split down both sides, so I might attempt to do my Christmas nails. I'll see if I have time. I might just pop up to my salon, get some nail bits out ready. So if I have time this evening, I might do my nails. But tomorrow we are off to London, so I will catch you there. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.